guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayong araw, magluluto tayo ng chicken curry. This is my chicken, which is I put black pepper, salt, and pepper, and paprika. Tsaka yung turmeric natin, which is there. Ito, may kamatis. I have a tomato here, and I have a bell pepper, red bell pepper, and this is onion, and my chili. This is ginger paste with garlic, and I have my coriander here, and I have right there the potato with the carrot, and I have my spices here, which is paprika and what's that? Garam masala, they call it like that, and this is turmeric, black pepper, and right here the cumin powder, which is I like the aroma of that. And let's go fry our chicken. Let's start, guys. I'm going to heat up the oil there, which I have to fry this for a little bit, just letting it become golden brown before I start. Let's go, guys. I'm going to start. Here we go, guys. I'm going to start right now. I'm going to fry here. It's not deep fry, just want to make it golden brown. I just want to make sure that there's no smell chicken on it. This is it, guys. Like that, and I will leave it for like 7 minutes like that. Let's go like golden brown. Then I'm going to take it out and put that. And you guys, I'm going to heat my cooking pot here. Have olive oil, just like that. It's nice. Yeah. My lint is so nice. This one I have olive oil right here that I'm going to make it hot. This is my spices. It's all mixed. I have a little bit of turmeric there, paprika and cumin. And this one is curry spices. But this mixed spices, which is 7 spice. Guys, my pot is hot now. Going to put onion like that, guys. I have my onion right here. Yeah. Here we go, guys. This is, I have a garlic there, and the tomato and bell pepper. Then I will cook so it becomes soup then. My tomato and onions and bell pepper look like that. Then we're going to put our spices. There's the spices with the cinnamon stick, which I like the smell of that. Like that. And because I like a little bit sour, I'm going to put 1 dried lime. I have a dried lime here and bee lips, which is so good. It smells good for that. And here we go. Now my chicken is here, then I'm going to put there. Here we go, guys. The chicken is here. The chicken that I fried. Then here. Now I'm going to put the carrot and potato. This one right here. Yep. And later on I'm going to pour a hot water on it. Then Here we go. Here we go. I have hot water here. I'm going to pour almost 3 cups of hot water. Here we go. So it's cooked. Have a little bit soup. Yes. There we go. I'm going to let it simmer for like half an hour. That will be so and good. Yes, and that's it. So easy. I'm going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. I'm going to stop the fire because my chicken is already half cooked because I fry it like 7 minutes or 10 minutes. That we go. Then I'm going to cover it till it's cooked. It's how look like. It's look oil, but it's not. I'm using olive oil anyway. Yep. Alright. Let's wait for 30 minutes. I will let it simmer. Guys, this is my curry here and I'm going to try it now. Right guys, here's my rice and that's my curry. And this is like I just cooked them with eggplant too, which I fried eggplant and then put them along. Now I'm going to try this. I like the chicken wings. This is the part that I like. And this one, and I like the eggplant on it. So looks yummy. So yummy. Like that. That's how it looks like. So nice. So good guys. So yummy. Delicious. It's my own curry, which is there's no coconut on it. I just like it with the veggies like vegetables, eggplant and carrot and potato. With that, yummy guys. You have to try this, and I know you will like it. If you have a taste like me, like this is the way I like the curry, just without coconut. If you like this video guys, then like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.